Welcome back to AutoCraze Spot for the latest and greatest in the world of wheels, so where machines meet adventure, and travel becomes a lifestyle. If you love exploring on three wheels and dream of camping under the stars, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and drop a like to fuel our journey together. Let's dive into something truly unique today, the incredible world of Tricycle RV Campervans. When you think of recreational vehicles, the first thing that comes to mind is usually a giant motorhome cruising down the highway. But what if we told you that adventure doesn't always need to come in a massive, gas-guzzling package? What if you could pack up and hit the open road in something more compact, more efficient, and a whole lot more fun? Enter the Tricycle RV Campervan, a fascinating fusion of motorcycle simplicity and camper practicality. These trike-based campers are changing the game for solo travelers, digital nomads, minimalists, and anyone who wants to combine mobility with freedom. But before we dive too deep into the details, let's break down what exactly makes these camper tricycles so special. First off, what is a Tricycle RV Camper? Simply put, it's a three-wheeled vehicle that combines the riding characteristics of a motorcycle with the utility of a camper, all rolled into one compact and eye-catching package. Unlike traditional RVs, these are based on motorcycle trikes or purpose-built three-wheeled platforms. And trust USA, these are not your average delivery trikes. Let's talk design philosophy. The exterior design of most Tricycle RV Campervans is built around minimalism, aerodynamics, and utility. Since these vehicles are often custom-built or limited production models, each one tends to have its own personality. But the common theme: lightweight frames, compact camper shells, and clever layouts. You'll often find sleek fiberglass or aluminum shells mounted on reinforced trike platforms. The shell isn't just a box slapped on the back, it's often shaped with smooth curves, tapered edges, and low-drag surfaces to maximize fuel efficiency. Some even feature retractable awnings, solar panels on the roof, and pop-up compartments, all designed with road travel in mind. Most camper trikes feature a reverse trike layout, meaning two wheels in the front and one in the back. This offers greater stability, better handling at low speeds, and more space for the camper section. The reverse layout also improves braking performance, a must-have when you're carrying extra weight on the back. You'll notice that many of these trikes feature reinforced frames and custom-built chassis. That's because they're carrying much more than a regular motorcycle, some even rival the weight of a small car. That's why the suspension systems on these camper trikes are usually beefed up with coilovers or air suspension to handle the load while keeping the ride smooth and comfortable. Let's move on to some of the most popular models and builds out there. One of the most recognized in this category is the tripod camper from Europe. It looks like a sci-fi pod mounted on the back of a touring trike. Built using lightweight composite materials, the tripod is designed to maintain agility while offering weatherproof shelter on the road. Its exterior features include hard-shell luggage compartments, an aerodynamic tail cone, and optional bike racks or solar kits. Then there's the trike bike camper, a popular build among DIY enthusiasts. These are typically built on modified Gold Wings or Harley-Davidson trikes. The camper pod is often custom-made with marine plywood or aluminum sheeting, with a foldable rooftop tent or a hatch-style back door. These builds are highly customizable and often reflect the personality of the rider. Want external speakers, a fold-out kitchenette, or even a solar-powered fan? You'll find it here. If you're looking for something a little more off-grid ready, you'll love the Overland trike campers. These beasts are built for adventure. They come with aggressive all-terrain tires, raised ground clearance, and reinforced exterior panels. Some even have external jerrycan mounts, toolboxes, and steel bumpers. The idea is simply go where traditional RVs can't. Whether you're climbing gravel paths or parking beside a mountain lake, these rugged trikes are built to endure. Of course, not every trike camper is a high-budget rig. Some models are built for ultra-budget travelers who think under $5,000, builds using recycled materials. You'll find old postal trikes converted into campers, complete with reflective paint, tarp roofs, and even improvised trailers attached to the rear. These budget builds might not win design awards, but they're proof that creativity goes a long way when you're chasing freedom. Now let's take a closer look at the powertrains used in these machines. Since most of these trike campers are based on existing motorcycle platforms, you'll often find engines ranging from 500cc to 1800cc. The Honda Goldwing, with its smooth 6-cylinder engine, is a popular base for camper conversions. It has the torque and reliability to carry the added weight, plus it offers creature comforts like cruise control and advanced electronics. For electric fans, there's good news too. Some cutting-edge trike campers are going fully electric, using hub motors or mid-drive systems. These are still relatively new and limited in range, but with the rise of solar charging and portable battery stations, the future looks promising. One prototype from Germany even includes a roof-mounted solar panel that can charge its onboard lithium battery while parked at a completely off-grid. Let's talk about weather protection and exterior features. Tricycle campers aren't just about looks, they're built for all-season travel. You'll find exterior panels with thermal insulation, UV-resistant coatings, and waterproof seals. Rain gutters, retractable roof panels, and drainage systems are cleverly integrated into the design. Most trike campers also include modular exterior attachments. Think of foldable tables, bike racks, surfboard mounts, and even compact BBQ grills that mount directly to the chassis. It's like Swiss Army knife engineering. Everything you need for a mini camping setup is either hidden or collapsible, ensuring nothing sticks out while you're cruising. One underrated but crucial part of the design? Visibility and lighting. These campers are often taller and wider than standard bikes, so they come equipped with upgraded LED lighting, high-mount brake lights, side reflectors, and wide-angle mirrors. Safety is a big deal when you're blending in with bigger vehicles on the road, so visibility enhancements are a must. Let's shift gears and talk about fuel economy and handling. Here's where trike campers really shine. Despite having a camper pod in the back, they're far more fuel efficient than a traditional RV. Most units get between 35 and 60 miles per gallon depending on the engine, load, and terrain. That's a huge bonus for long-distance travelers who want to minimize costs. Handling-wise, trike campers offer a unique blend of bike agility and car-like stability. The wider front end and low center of gravity make it easier to manage curves and tight spaces. Sure, you won't be leaning into turns like a regular motorcycle, but you gain a ton of confidence on the highway and in stop-and-go traffic. Now let's talk licensing and road legality, which is an important topic for anyone interested in getting one of these. In many countries, trike-based campers fall under motorcycle licensing regulations, meaning you can drive them with a regular motorcycle license. However, some heavier models require a special license depending on their weight and engine size. It's always good to check your local laws before building or buying. So what kind of person is this for? Tricycle campervans are perfect for the solo traveler, the minimalist explorer, and the weekend warrior. They're ideal for people who want to escape the hustle, sleep under the stars, and travel without dragging a massive RV behind them. They're also great for people who want a camper but live in urban environments where parking space is limited. You can store one in your garage, take it down city streets, and still head out on a cross-country journey when the mood strikes. And let's be honest, it turns heads wherever it goes. Tricycle campers are not just vehicles, they're conversation starters. Customization is another huge selling point. You can pick your base trike, choose your camper pod design, add accessories like roof racks, solar panels, and tow hitch set and make it truly your own. The aftermarket scene for trikes is growing fast, with companies offering bolt-on camper kits that fit popular platforms. And of course, there's the community aspect. Owners of these unique rides often join niche camping groups, overlanding forums, and YouTube channels to share travel stories, build ideas, and tips on maintenance. It's a small but passionate group of travelers who believe in freedom, mobility, and doing more with less. If you're considering building or buying one, here are a few tips. Choose a reliable base vehicle. A touring motorcycle with a proven track record is ideal. Prioritize balance and weight distribution. A poorly balanced camper can be dangerous at speed. Don't skimp on the tires and brakes. You're carrying extra weight, so invest in quality. Consider weatherproofing and insulation, especially if you plan to travel year-round. And finally, get creative. Whether it's a paint job, a rear hatch design, or a fold-out deck, your camper should reflect your personality. So, what do you think? Would you hit the open road in a Tricycle RV Campervan? Let us know in the comments below. If you love this deep dive into compact adventure rigs, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride with us. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your heart open to the road ahead. Thanks for watching.